Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing my Medusa's makeup unbagging. I did just get a new phone, so I'm trying out my camera for the first time today. If everything looks weird, I'm sorry. I think it looks okay though, hopefully. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and dive into this guy here. It does say I got a bonus item this month, so that's exciting. Let's go ahead and pull all of this out. Here is the pile. I think there's still something in there though. Yeah, there is. Okay. So, first thing, here's the little card. It says, peace out. I like her little dress, it's cute. But this card has like all the information of everything in here. So we're of course gonna say that for the last. This little guy was not in the pack of makeup here, so I'm assuming this is my bonus item. I think I've already had this. It's from 90210. It's Brendan Hart, Dylan Hart Kelly. The Bad Boy. That sounds familiar. I've had two of these different shades, but that one sounds familiar. Yeah, I've had this. I didn't try it though. I wound up passing it along before I tried it, so maybe this is a sign that I need to try it. So I'll go ahead and swatch it. I feel like this is the universe telling me you need this lipstick in your life. So let's try it out for real this time. It's a pretty shade. It's kind of what I was going for today. I'm wearing Lolita by KVD, but yeah, it's pretty. So we'll actually give it a shot this time. And then that guy, yeah, that's not on my card, so that must be the bonus item. We also have this. This is the Beauty, it's cut off, Beauty Host Rose Moisturizing Mask. I will not be using this. I do not like the smell of roses at all. So I'll pass this along to somebody else, but this retails for $5. Ew. I'm sure it's a great mask, but I cannot get past the smell of roses. I just can't do it. Okay, opening this little guy up here. First thing we have on top, I've had these before too. This is from Lovebird. It's the Tinted Lip Balm. I don't think I've had this shade though. It looks different. I don't remember where the, oh, Smooch is the shade name. Yeah, I don't think I've had this one. I passed a couple of these along already as well, just because I had so many lip balms, but I have decluttered a bunch of them now, so I don't have near as many. But I also think it was like impossible for me to open these now that I'm trying to open one. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we'll go ahead and swatch this guy for you. It's just like a big old chunky lip balm that has a slight tint to it, if I remember correctly. I don't think it's like super pigmented or anything, but here it is. Smells kind of cinnamony right there. So yeah, we'll definitely use that. Oh, my allergies are going nuts. Have any of you guys, I live in Iowa, but so I don't know if it's like everywhere, but my seasonal allergies are kicking my butt for the last few weeks, like horribly. Okay, the next thing is this guy here. I do love these for highlighters. But I haven't really used them for actual shadows. This is the Baked Eyeshadow in the shade Brunch. I feel like this is going to be too dark for a highlight. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to swatch it because I don't really use single eyeshadows. And I know it's going to be too dark for a highlight, so I don't want to use that and then when someone else could. That retails for $14. Two more little guys in here. Oh, this is another glitter, isn't it? This is the Mystical Eye Dust in the shade Psyche. It's spelled like really weird. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, yeah, so I have the new iPhone 13 Pro, and it has like cinematic mode, so it like focuses on what I wanted to focus on, and I'm loving it. But this is the shade Psyche. These retail for $11.95. Ooh, I just ripped the box a little bit. I'm not gonna keep this either, I'll be honest. I don't wear loose pigments, eyeshadows, that kind of stuff, but I'll show you the shade. It's pretty. Okay. Last thing in here is this guy. This is from Seraphine Botanicals. It's the Coconut Water Hydrating Facial Mist. Cute little box. Retails for $24. Oh no, it says Rose. No, please. The little card says Rose. Oh, this is a cute little bottle. I think this looks like a full size. This little guy's $24. Smells like roses. Nope. Ugh. Okay, we're passing that along too. So yeah, that's my whole bag, you guys. Let me know down below if you guys get this. Do you guys get the same stuff that I get every time, or do you get stuff different? Because I feel like I don't see hardly anyone do this box. Also, this retails for $62.95, so all the value of the box. But don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. My voice is going away, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.